Looking to improve your email performance? In this demo, I'll show you how to use AroundDeal's A/B testing feature to identify the most effective email versions based on open and click-through rates. Start by going to the Engagement tab and selecting Sequence. Choose one of your created sequences and add an A/B test to each scheduled email you want to test. Click on the email you want to edit, compose the new email template, and save your changes. You can create multiple variants to test at once. Make sure the toggles for each variant are green to activate them in the A/B test. Then, monitor the data AroundDeal collects for each email to see which variant performs best. Once you have enough data, disable underperforming variants by clicking the active toggle next to them. Inactive variants will appear in gray. Check out our YouTube channel and you'll find more tutorials on our powerful features like engagement and enrichment. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out to our support team with any questions, or follow AroundDeal on LinkedIn, Twitter or Facebook.